Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to unlink a component in Webflow so you can edit it without affecting the others. So first is to search and type Webflow in the search engine that you use and click on the first thing that pops up right here. And when you're on the dashboard, click on the component you want to unlink. You'll know it's a component when it shows a green outline and label. All of these are blue, so these are not components. Here, this is a component as it shows a color green. Components are reusable elements which changes and affects all instances. So all you have to do is right click on it, then choose this unlink. So now that it's detached, you can edit it without changing the others. Unlinking gives you the freedom, but remember, it also breaks the connection. Changes won't sync with other instances anymore. And that's it. You've unlinked your Webflow component and are ready to customize. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips.